Welcome, geometry students, to class today on this Thursday the 23rd. Here are some announcements, so please listen carefully to these announcements. Number one, there will be a test tomorrow. So what we're going to do during this class period is review for the final exam. You'll see that down here, and we'll talk about that in just a second. You owe me yesterday's homework. You had the whole class hour to work on it. A lot of you turned it in yesterday, but all of you did not. So those that did not turn their homework in yesterday, please turn that in now. The copying assignments are coming in somewhat sporadically, and I'm going to start becoming really tough on those next week, okay? So make sure if there's a copying part, you get that turned in. That is going to lower your homework grade if you're not doing that. Everyone is all caught up, so congratulations there. That is as long as everybody turns their homework in today. And then here's the review sheet. Now, before I give the review sheet, listen, the one student will know who they are, but no one else knows. Please, please, please don't be embarrassed. Don't think I'm mad. And actually, yesterday I had a student email me about they were confused about quizzes and tests, but that student was not the first one. In the past, ever since I started showing videos from last year for the homework videos, I've had probably 4 or 5 emails where students were confused. And love y'all, I'm not mad, I'm not being mean, but I can only say this so many times. When you're watching a video from last year, and I usually tell you when that is, occasionally I might forget, but I usually tell you, when you are watching a video from last year, like this one right here that we're going to talk about in a second, you have to ignore everything it says. I mean, it's going to have stuff on there like Ashley Rufinoff, you have homework missing, Tara Guess, you have this missing, Megan, you need this, Kate, you need this. I mean, I'm talking to those 4 students. And number 2, they didn't take the test necessarily on the same day that you did. So please, when you listen to this video right here, I'm shaking it right now. See this video? Right there. When you watch that video, ignore everything that it says except how to work out the problem. So when you're watching it, just listen to the explanations of each problem, okay? And that's it. So I wanted to remind you about that. Okay, so here's the review sheet. Notice I put a nice list over here for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 things here that you're responsible for. Okay, 9 of these. And when I say responsible, I mean these are the 9 items here that are going to be fill in the blank on your test on Friday, okay? Please know these. I've had you write them, memorize them, look at them. Please, please do well on these, okay? All right. Then I want you to turn to page 401. And do numbers 8 through 23 all. That's your review sheet. That's really kind of a weeny small review sheet. So if you can finish that whole thing and turn it in on Friday, you get 5 bonus points on your test. And I will be there Friday to give you the test. So please work on that, okay? And then look, if you're going to watch the video right here to help you, are you listening? Start the video at the 12-minute mark. Now, these are older videos from last year. Sometimes when you fast forward, they freeze up. Just be patient. I have watched the whole video through. The whole thing works. It's great. I've checked it. I've made sure. Okay? So when you fast forward the video, if it doesn't start right away, wait a minute or 2, it'll start, okay? But anyways, you can watch the video to help you with the homework, the review sheet, whatever you want to call it, or you can do the review sheet on your own and then watch the video and check your answers, however you want to do it. But the video is there to help you so you know how to work out these problems so you're ready for your test tomorrow. If you cannot work out every single one of these problems right here without any help from your notes, you're not ready for the test. You should be able to work out all of these types of problems on your own without help from your notes. Okay? All right. And then again, start the video at the 12-minute mark. Maybe it's like 12:01 or 12:02, but if you'll start at the 12-minute mark, you should be fine. And again, ignore everything that I say on this video that you're going to listen to right here, this video. Ignore everything that I say. On this video right here, the Chapter 7 review sheet video, the one that you're going to watch later, ignore everything that I say on that video except how to work out the problems. All right? Okay, call me, email me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you, and I will see you tomorrow on Friday and pass out your test. I'm not sure where we're meeting yet, so just find me in the hallway and I should know on Friday, okay? All right, have a good day.